Hey guys, welcome back to another recipe. Today I'm showing you guys how to make blooming onion, which is a whole onion deep fried. This is my recipe and I'm going to show you guys how I do it. It's quick, it's easy, and it's crispy. Without further ado, let me show you guys how it's done. Okay, to get started, we're starting by making our dipping sauce, which is the sauce you're going to need to eat that crispy fried up onion. Okay, if you love onion rings, I'm sure you love this recipe. So for the sauce, we're using mayonnaise with ketchup, and also I'll be adding salt in there as well. Here you go. Now we're going to add some cayenne pepper, ground black pepper. Give that a quick mix. Once everything is well combined, we're going to save that up in the fridge until our whole onion is done frying up. Now these are the seasoning for the whole onion: oregano, garlic, cayenne pepper, salt, ground black pepper, cumin, Cajun seasoning, 1 egg, whole milk, and also you need some flour, and you will need the onion, of course. Now let's get started, and as well as the oil to fry up the onion. Now we're going to crack the egg in this bowl right here, and then we're going to add the whole milk in it. Now the measurement will be down below. Check it out, guys. Check it out. You will need the measurement to make this. All right, so check that out, and also hit the notification bell if you have not done so, because that's how you will be notified when I make a new video, when I drop a new video. Now once that is done, we're going to season the flour with the salt, oregano, the Cajun seasoning with cayenne pepper, and I'm adding ground black pepper as well with garlic powder. And here I have the cumin. Once we're done adding all of the seasoning in, we're going to give that a quick mix. When I tell you, this onion will be extremely tasty because all that seasoning, can you see all the seasoning through the flour? That's how you know it's well seasoned. And also you can give it a taste to make sure it's well seasoned a little bit, okay? Not the whole bowl. Now here's the onion. We're going to cut the bottom of the onion. Make sure you don't cut the core, that little circle. Don't cut it because you will need it to keep the onion together. So cut a little bit of the bottom and a little bit of the top. Remove the skin just like so. Once you're done, we're going to cut up the onion. Now when you're cutting it, I'm sure you guys can see it because it's better to see it instead of me saying it. Now you can see, don't cut it all the way through, okay? Don't cut it all the way through because your onion will be falling apart and it's not gonna look cute, honey. So just cut it as I am doing right here, okay? Just, it's self-explanatory. Just keep on watching. And also, if you're new here, you haven't subscribed, hey girl, hey boy, be sure to subscribe to Island 5 Cooking. I do make delicious recipe here that I'm sure you will love if you like this recipe. And also don't forget to turn on your bell, all right? And leave me a comment down below as well. Now this is, you can see this is how I cut it. I just hold it together and then slice. Once you're done, you're going to basically trying to spread out the petals just like so. That's why it's blooming onion. It's like a flower blooming. All right. And then we're going to move on to the next step. Now the next step is we're going to take the onion, place it into our egg wash just like so, or egg mixture just like so. And then we're going to take the onion, place it into our seasoned flour. Okay, make sure the flour is, or the onion is well coated with the flour. Open up all the petals and add the flour in between. Okay, once you're done, make sure you shake any excess flour off the onion, and we're going to repeat the step once more. All right, make sure you season all of the crevices and the corners. Make sure it's well seasoned. Now once I'm done, like I said, we're going to repeat it, place it back in the egg mixture just like so, and then we're going to put it in the flour one last time. And make sure to remove any excess mixture before you place it into the egg flour. Just like so, open up the petals. Make sure all the flour is in there because that's what's going to make your onion to be nice and crispy and also delicious, because you want the seasoned flour on each and every onion bite, right? Now this is what it looks like. We're going to place it in the fridge for about 10 minutes. Now once you take it out the fridge, that's what it looks like. We're going to fry it now. Now make sure the oil temperature is on 350. Don't burn the onion, okay? I know you want it to be nice and crispy, but do not burn it. Now as you guys can see, my oil is heating up on 350. I am going to place the onion in there and let it cook for about 3-4 minutes, 5 minutes, depends on how golden brown you want it to be. Don't overcook it to a point where it's burned, but cook it to a point where it's nice and crispy, of course. And I was tasting to see if it's good. And this is what it looks like. It's very nice and crispy, like I said. Oh my gosh, it looks good. I like it. It looks good. When I spread it out, this is what it looks like. I mean, it doesn't look like I want it to look once I spread it out, but it was delicious. It was good. A quick snack, go for it. A whole onion, or you can bake it if you want it to be more healthier. But this is it. Hopefully you like it. Thank you for watching. If you're new, don't forget to subscribe, like the video for me, and also leave me a comment down below. Thank you. I will see you guys on my next one. Bye. Yum.